Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you an easy step on how to download Wordle game on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Play Store to begin. In the search box, type in Wordle and perform your search. From the search results, pick this application from Lion Studio Plus and tap the install button to begin the downloading process. Wordle is a word game that challenges players to guess a word in 6 tries or less. The app has several unique game modes that will challenge your mind and spelling skills, including daily puzzle mode, where you'll have 6 guesses to solve the word of the day. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the play button to launch open the game. Now that is how you can easily download the Wordle application or the Wordle game right on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.